Welcome back. We're doing an update on MagicAnswers. So here on my computer is like the main way that we save data to uh, to my database from each user. What I do is I go to the Firebase GitHub here. Here's an auth sample that I'm looking at. What I did was it had this GUI display, GUI layout, and I stripped all of that away so it all hooked up in Unity. Like here I created, instead of having the GUI going on, I created these public voids for the buttons and for the score authentication. And so there's a bunch of stuff I'm going to clean up in the script right here, but we got a bunch of stuff hooked up, and I'm going to jump into the project here. And so this is how it is right now. If I start the project, so Firebase initialized, and here's like the previous questions. As you can see, we got them loaded. They're not working out perfect. And here's a question text field. All this extra stuff that I built here was all testing. Like that's the next step. Is I'm gonna do the visuals in Unity, but like ask a question. You know, today is gonna be good, right? Okay, I'm gonna ask the question, hit the button, and it worked, and then it updated the table. Let's see, we have set up Firebase auth, then it received the values. Welcome to the application, what is your query? And then I said today is gonna be it's gonna be good, right? And it says it is certain, so it's gonna be a good day. If I go to MagicAnswers on Firebase, so check this out. What I just asked is today gonna be good, right? Well, I got it is certain, and I got a timestamp, so I got me doing this. Really, really cool how that's working. So here's the fun. I'm not gonna copy directly what a Magic 8-Ball is. I'm gonna come up with my own system of answers, and it's going to be exactly 50-50 positive and negative, and then I guess I'll have a percentage of that be a maybes or go again. So I'll have a little fun with that. So I'm going to come up with my own phrases, and I'm just going to have to take this case 2 and I copy it, and then I make it case 3, and what do I want to call this? You know, no. So now I can be however I want. Oh, what do we have here? So this is very complicated for me, obviously, and I just feel like if I keep looking at the same content, if I keep studying it day after day, and I sleep on it, and I come back to it the next day, hopefully it's just going to get easier and easier, and I'll be able to like understand a lot more than at this point. And obviously, like, this entire point of me making these videos is I'm gonna look back at this and I'm gonna see how I learned and like how far I come, and it's kind of like a journal for this simple yet really awesome project that uses so many different facets of the web and Unity. So we'll see how this plays out. All right, I'll see you in the next one.